Forex robots, also known as expert advisors or EAs, automate trading on the foreign exchange market. These tools use algorithms to analyze market conditions, execute trades, and manage positions without human intervention. This technology allows for 24/7 trading, maximizing opportunities in a volatile market. The distinction between free and paid Forex robots often lies in their complexity and support. Free versions may offer basic functionalities and are good for beginners to understand automated trading, whereas paid robots provide more advanced features and dedicated support, catering to more serious traders who seek optimized and customizable trading strategies. Forex robots drastically enhance trading efficiency and accuracy. Their capability to automate operations means trades are executed at the optimum moment based on predefined criteria, ensuring speed and precision that exceeds manual trading. Additionally, these robots operate on algorithms devoid of human emotion, which often leads to impulsive decisions and significant losses in trading. By eliminating emotional biases, Forex robots maintain a consistent trading strategy focused purely on market data and analytics. This technological advancement allows traders to leverage market opportunities around the clock without succumbing to psychological pressures common in financial trading environments. While free Forex robots offer an entry point for beginners, they come with limitations. Typically, such robots lack the sophistication of paid versions, offering only basic functionalities that might not adapt well to changing market conditions. Another significant disadvantage is the absence of reliable customer support, which can be crucial, especially during technical failures or when users need guidance on optimizing settings. Furthermore, free robots often employ generic trading strategies that are widely used, potentially leading to crowded trades that diminish the effectiveness and profitability of these strategies in a competitive trading environment. Paid Forex robots offer distinct advantages over free versions, especially in features, performance, and support. These robots are often equipped with more advanced algorithms that can adapt dynamically to market changes, thus providing superior performance and higher potential profitability. Reliability is another key area where paid versions excel, with developers providing regular updates to ensure the software remains effective in the evolving Forex market. Comprehensive customer support, often available with paid robots, adds invaluable assistance, aiding traders in maximizing their investment's potential. For serious traders, the initial cost of these robots is justified by the enhanced trading capabilities and the potential for greater returns. Choosing the right Forex robot involves a careful assessment of your trading needs and goals. For beginners or those testing strategies, free Forex robots may suffice to gain experience without financial commitment. However, for more serious traders aiming for higher profitability and needing robust features, paid robots are likely more suitable. It's crucial to evaluate the level of market analysis, risk management features, and the ability to customize that each robot offers. Consider also the quality of customer support and the frequency of updates provided, as these can significantly influence your trading success.